Hi lovelies, welcome to another easy tutorial section for beginners. Today I'll be showing you how to cut the viral bubble skirt using an Ankara fabric in the simplest way possible. First, you're going to be dividing your waist circumference by 6.28 for a 30-degree flay or 3.14 for a 180-degree flay. My waist is 34 divided by 6.28 gave me 5.5. Next, I measure the actual length I'll be using, which is 20 inches, but because this is a bubble dress, the flare needs to be folded, so I doubled the length and that gives me 40 inches, even though the real length is still 20 inches. For this skirt, I used 4 yards of fabric. I divided it into 2 yards each and joined them together so I can get enough width and fullness for the bubble effect. Next, I folded my 4 yards of fabric into 4. On the folded fabric, I marked out the waist circumference and the length, which is 40 inches. Once I was done marking, I cut it out carefully. After cutting, I notched the flay on all 4 sides, that is the center point and the sides. This helps with alignment and make sewing easier. Finally, I cut open one side of the flay. At this point, I'll be using another fabric to explain this part better. Starting from where the edge of the flay is open, I folded it, then pleated the first folded part onto the other folded part. This is what helps form the bubble shape of the dress. Now, take it to your sewing machine and you pleat from one notched end to the other notched end, and your skirt should look like this. If you are a beginner learning step by step, like this video, save it and follow for more simple tutorials.